What if the future of smart homes didn't live in your hand, but stared back at you from the wall? What if your tablet wasn't a device you carried, but something hidden in plain sight, fused into the very glass you brush your teeth in front of every morning? Because in 2025, we're entering a strange, exciting, and slightly eerie era where smart mirrors are getting smart enough to replace your tablet entirely. And I mean, display, apps, AI, video, voice, everything. These futuristic surfaces are no longer just fancy bathroom gimmicks or luxury vanity tech. They're becoming fully functional digital hubs. So today on TechWave 65, we're going deep into the question: will smart mirrors swallow your tablet? Are we replacing screens with reflective glass? Can mirrors become our personal dashboards, our AI assistants, even our entertainment centers? And most importantly, what does it mean when the wall becomes a screen? Let's break this down. Right now, in 2025, smart mirrors are evolving from novelty to necessity in a few key environments: the bathroom, the bedroom, the hallway, and even the kitchen. Think about what a tablet does for you, whether updates, calendar events, news, smart home controls, YouTube, Spotify, Zoom, AI assistants, health tracking, workouts, recipes, video editing, reading, you name it. Now imagine all of that. Embedded inside a mirror, you wake up, you walk into your bathroom. As the lights rise, your mirror greets you. Good morning, 68 degrees outside. You have a Zoom call at 9 a.m. and your morning routine takes 26 minutes. Shall I begin your playlist? And just like that, your entire day is contextualized not on a screen you have to unlock, but from a surface you are already going to use. That's the idea driving this revolution. But how close are we really to replacing the iPad, Galaxy Tab, or Fire Max with a piece of glass on the wall? Let's start with the hardware evolution. Early smart mirrors were just regular mirrors with a small display behind the glass, often running off a Raspberry Pi with a weather widget and maybe a calendar feed. But now, in 2025, we have full Android-powered, Wi-Fi 6 enabled, AI-integrated smart mirrors from companies like Capstone, House Deco, Karios, and even Samsung, who's dabbling with the concept through their SmartThings ecosystem. These mirrors come with touchscreens, voice control, Bluetooth, cameras, and gesture sensors. Some run Google Assistant or Alexa natively. Some have face recognition to load individual profiles. Others have Apple HomeKit integrations. There are models with 32-inch mirrored displays, 4K resolution, embedded speakers, and even LiDAR depth sensors for body movement analysis. So, in terms of raw capability, yes, they're catching up to tablets fast. Let's compare. Your average tablet, portable, touch, capable, app-rich, has a camera, mic, battery, and is highly interactive. A smart mirror in 2025, not portable, but wall-mounted, context-aware, always on, often touch-capable, voice-driven, with multi-user support and smart home integration baked in. Tablets are personal. Tocolo smart. Mirrors are environmental. They're part of the room, part of your life without being in your hands. And this shift is key. Tablets require intent, you have to go to them. Mirrors are passive, you're already looking at them. It means they can feed you ambient information. Health stats from your smartwatch, AI-generated recommendations, facial analysis to detect fatigue or hydration needs, reminders, directions, even augmented makeup tutorials or fitness feedback. But here's where it gets crazy. AI is making smart mirrors active companions. Devices like the Himmerer already analyze your skin in real time and suggest products. Future models will monitor posture, detect emotion, track eye focus, and guide meditation. Paired with AI engines like ChatGPT 4o or Gemini Nano, your mirror becomes a therapist, trainer, coach, assistant, and planner all while you brush your teeth. Now, the skeptics say, but a mirror can't do everything a tablet can. Can't type, edit, play games, or take it on the go. And sure, that's true. But here's the thing. We're not replacing the tablet, we're absorbing it. The mirror dose and tea need to be portable if everything you do on a tablet can now happen in the background. Triggered by voice, gesture, or routine. Think, mirror, show me my calendar. Play my saved YouTube workout. Summarize my unread emails. Record a voice note to send to Sarah. Load my daily journal. You're not holding a device, you're interacting with your space. With context-aware AI that remembers your preferences, syncs across devices, and automates your routines. This is no longer about hardware, it's about interface philosophy. Tablets put a window in your hand. Smart mirrors turn your wall into an intelligent presence. It doesn't want your full attention. It wants to enhance your existing habits. Now that's more powerful than any screen you can carry. Let's talk use cases. In the bathroom, a smart mirror becomes your wellness dashboard. Sleep data, stress scores, hydration levels, daily affirmations, and grooming routines. In the bedroom, it's a low-light display for reminders, white noise, moon phases, and sleep coaching. In the hallway, it shows your family's location, Toto lists, doorbell cam, and traffic updates. In the kitchen, it shows your meal plan, recipe walkthroughs, AI-assisted substitutions, and fridge inventory. And with multi-user AI, each person gets a custom interface. For creators, smart mirrors can act as teleprompters, script readers, or ambient idea boards. For developers, they display GitHub stats or Jira tickets while standing. For students, they walk through study flashcards or offer brain-boosting routines. For businesses, they become front desk hosts or AI concierges, all from a sheet of smart glass. Let's address the privacy elephant in the room. Having a display that watches and listens, even if it helps you, feels invasive, and that's valid. These devices must come with hardware kill switches, local-only processing options, encrypted connections, and facial data control. Companies that prioritize privacy, like Apple or Mycroft-based mirrors, are leading the way here. But users must still be educated and in control. No one wants their mirror to become a corporate spy. Next, the question of cost. High-end smart mirrors run between $500 and $3,000 depending on size, resolution, and features. That's more than a tablet. But as prices fall and software ecosystems improve, the value shifts, especially if a smart mirror can replace a tablet, a speaker, a smart hub, a fitness display, and a lighted vanity all at once. And let's be honest, when the mirror becomes a screen, you free up table space, reduce clutter, and upgrade your daily experience without needing more devices. It's invisible computing, the dream of ambient, helpful tech finally becoming real. So back to the big question. Will smart mirrors swallow your tablet? The answer is yes, but not all at once. Not by replacing it. By absorbing its functions into your environment. By making your space smarter so you don't have to carry as many screens. In 2025, tablets still have a place. But the future of interface design is not in what you hold, it's in what holds you. Your walls, your lights, your windows, your mirrors, all becoming intelligent, responsive, and AI-powered. The tablet disappears not because it fails, but because its power becomes everywhere. And the smart mirror is leading that charge. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges. Future experiments and real talk from TechWave 65.